Okay guys, I am getting ready to show you my hot mess craft room, but I thought you might want to see something cute first. This is Shifley. Say hi, Shifey. This is Jonathan's room. Yep. And this is my craft room. You ready? Let me back up. Yep, that's the entrance. Just enough room to walk in. This is like for real life craft room. It's awesome. This is why I'm not creative right now. And this needs to be fixed because everything is piling up. Everything is a mess. As you can see, this is my crafting space. Yeah, it's not big enough. And there's stuff all around me, all over the floor. I don't want to make you guys too dizzy. I'm just gonna get in and close the door behind me so you can see back to the doorway. Yeah, just enough to open the door. I am a 31 consultant also, so this has been my 31 dumpings place. So I need to go through all that stuff too and kind of organize it. I've got stuff in the closet. I have a picture Madison bought me. I gotta put up in the wall. I have my beautiful sign up there. I have this one, which definitely is me. I'm not a hoarder. I just need a bigger scrapbooking room. Yep. So as you can see, floor is full. That's actually a bag of garbage, like paper and stuff like that. Not like gross garbage. And then my bookcase is back there, totally full, need to go through, and piles of stuff. So this is my job. It is actually Friday night. I'm starting the video because I want to show you guys exactly what I'm dealing with. This cart here, I call it a cart, it's on wheels. It's one of those metal racks from Costco that I don't have the full rack. I only have it down to the small size, but I want to move that over here. I don't know if I'm going to move these paper racks over there. I'm not sure yet. But because I want to bring my desk, it's an L-shaped desk. It goes from here all the way over to here. I want to bring that back out, so it's going to start in that corner, come out here, and then come out. Because the light is in the middle of the room, and it gets very dark in that corner. So I have to use my OT lights, which kind of bothers my eyes too. I still love my shelving and everything back there. I still have lots of goodies that people made for me and sent me up there. And then also there's a card Nikki just sent me for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Nikki. I love it. It's right there so I can see it. Got all kinds of mess on top of my desk. All kinds of paper stacked up. Containers. I have empty containers to get all organized. I started moving some of my stamps into the new fridge bin containers, but I need to get them out so that I can redo everything. And up here is where most of the crafty stuff that people sent me is, but again, it's all shoved up there, which is not very nice. I need to get it all cleaned out and redo it. So some of the stuff is organized, but it's this part that's not. There's my big shot and my little one. Yeah, so this is my job. 4 days. I'm gonna get it done. I'm not expecting any miracles, but I want to at least have it reorganized and get stuff cleaned up and off the floor, and more than likely start doing piles for destashing and stuff. But basically what I have to do is get all of this stuff out of my room first. So I'm gonna take over Jonathan's bedroom for a little bit. He doesn't know it, but that's what's happening. And then get everything get the furniture moved around, do a really good vacuum and cleaning, and then start bringing it back in. So this is the hot mess before. Hope you guys enjoy this. Look at this icy floor. Wow, what a difference. And look at that. Yes, it's dust. Just keeping it real. I still have to get all the stuff out from underneath here. Start moving the desks around. Still haven't decided if I'm moving those. I did take, I had some 12 by 12 paper pads in there that I never could really get at, so I put them over here. And I labeled some of them so that I could see what they are. Fancy. Haven't touched that. That'll be last. Let me swing around. I did go through the closet and make sure that everything that's in there is staying in there. Found a box of stuff that I've made. This is full of 12 by 12 paper and I can't even lift it. And the cats are fighting. They love each other so much. Can you hear that? It's not thunder. That's cheesecake. And now I want to take all the stuff off of here because this container, focus, is where, or sorry, this rack on the top is where I'm going to put my fridge bins with my stamps and dies, and that's going to be over here behind my desk so that I can reach them. Yeah, so I need to get at that next. So it is about 1:45. Here's the progress so far. Oops, stepping on stuff. Just gotta get my stuff back up on the table, but I decided I'm gonna take a break and have lunch, and then I want to dust those shelves up there before I put stuff underneath and have all the dust fall on it. Yeah, I think it is looking good. I still need to go through what's on that wire Costco rack underneath because I don't want it to look all messy like that, and take all the stuff off the top, but I have it in the spot where I want it to be. And then I still have all this. Wow! I'm gonna cry. Oh, and stuff is falling behind me. Alright, I'm gonna go have some lunch. Okay, it's the end of day one. It's about 7:30. I'm pooped. I've been at it all day long. I'm going to take a break and go to the gym with my daughter. It's Kind of like my little station I got going on there. I hung the picture that Madison gave me at Christmas, or just after Christmas. I got this new piece that I picked up a little while ago. I just put up on the wall with some cards. And there's my stamps, and I have dies in with them. I'm going to see how that goes. Still just a bunch of mess down here. Trying to figure out what to put into those containers. Just kind of going through stuff. I still have to figure out desk space. I got one fridge bin up in there, and this is really fun. I put all my little greeting farm, the super secret stamp clubs, sorry, shadow, and all my little gorgeous girls in that drawer. Ooh, kicked something. Still have all this stuff to go through. Gotta clean off this so I can bring this desk out here and clean out that corner. And there's still more stuff in Jonathan's room. I did do this. That corner piece that I picked up, the acrylic stand, I put my flowers in it. Yeah, so progress. It's only day one.